Okay, coffee makers, coffee drinkers, Keurig. I imagine any type of model, it doesn't really matter. If you clicked on this video, it's probably because you're trying to find out, why is yours leaking? Why does yours say to add water when you already have enough water in your machine? These coffee makers, the Keurigs, one, are notorious for leaking a lot. And the same thing, add water, and it's more than halfway. It's 3/4. It's probably almost full. I think I got a solution for that. Okay. I just barely made supposedly coffee. It was just for test purposes, but it's full, and still hasn't said add water. I even did the 6 ounces, and did not say add water. That's how much water I have left. That's just tap water, so don't worry about that. Anyways, the problem. See this little pointy piece of plastic? This is just to secure a sensor. A sensor that is... It's kind of hard to do this with all right. It's a sensor that's in here, okay? There was nothing securing that sensor into place. And water was coming out, okay? I'm not going to say it was dripping like crazy, but I saw it and there was a little tiny bit of water coming on this bottom section here. There's supposed to be a lock in there. I think the product is a good product. It works now. It doesn't leak. But somebody at the factory is not doing the job, okay? I'm not saying that that's the problem to yours, but more than likely, that's probably what's going on. It doesn't have that little ring to secure that sensor into place, okay? Now, I don't care about the warranty. I'm not going to return it. I almost was. And I thought, you know what? Let me take a look at it. Let me see what I could find. I'm not an engineer. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a regular guy who wants his stuff to work. And let's face it, we pay a lot of money for these things. Paid, I don't know, about $150. Wanted to get something really nice for my wife. She was like, no, let's just get something, a little $20 one. I was like, no, dude, I'm going to get you something nice. I thought this was the one. And I read the reviews. I knew about the leak, and I thought, well, maybe it won't happen to me. And it did. So if you're going to take yours apart, they say it voids warranty. I don't know. Just letting you know. Check this piece here and see if there's anything in there. Okay? I cut this little piece of plastic. You guys are going to laugh. From the little hair clipping things. Just cut a piece off, shaped it, some scissors, and just to make sure that it went into the 2 slots with the sensor pushing forward, and you'll see it in the middle where the metal is. You push it forward enough, the metal clears, and you can push this little securing, piece of plastic in there to secure it. No longer leaks at all. It doesn't ask for water anymore. And it actually makes the coffee all the way up the way it's supposed to when you put it on 12. Okay? I would show that to you guys, but I know it's time consuming. You guys don't want to watch the whole thing. I get it. Anyways, I hope that helps. I hope it helps, and, good luck.
cleansing, cleansing, cleansing. Still says descale. The first machine I had said the same thing over and over no matter what I did. I bought this one because of that reason. Bought the descaler, did it 3 times, and it still says descale. I don't know what is wrong with these Keurigs. This is crazy. That I have to, get rid of this?